Hi, this is Doug from Iowa, and today I want to talk about our little project that we did. We took off all the vinyl siding on the front of our home, and we put on GenStone stacked stone in the color Stratford. As you can see, we did quite a bit of work here, and I'll get a little closer here. As you can see, we did the stone, and we were able to cut it out very easily because it's such an easy product to work with. As you can see from this angle, all the corners that we did were the preformed corners, and that really makes the job easy when you can just put your corners in place and then butt up your stone to it and keep on going. No cutting to do, very simple. Made the job a lot easier and a lot faster. Now, because this product far exceeded our expectations, we went ahead and did the back of our house as well. So we added a fireplace on our deck. Obviously you can see the TV in the middle, and then we also did the fireplace for a main part of our house. And again, we put the stone on that, and we went up the side, so again, very easy to cut and get the right angles. You know, one of the nice things about this product is its definition. This product really looks nice, especially in the sun. You get some nice shadow lines, and it really looks very real and natural when it's installed. I've had a lot of people come up to it and actually touch it and feel it, and then ask me, is this real stone or what is this? So, you know, from the distance or from a few feet, most people can't even tell that it's not a real hard concrete stone product.